welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's my everyday makeup. So yeah, let's get started.
So first I prime my face with a MAC spray primer. And I use a lid primer for my shadow so it doesn't get all gross in the crease. So first I do my brows. I first go underneath the brow bone and everything, and then I outline the outside, and then I just take my little brush and I fill it in all the way to get that shape. I take concealer, put it under the brow, and then just blend it in to create that shape and clean it up. And repeat on the other side. Now is liner. So what I do first is I make really crappy lines starting from the corner of my eye and drag it over the lid at a random shape. I use the makeup remover wipe method to just clean up and create a shape to what I think looks good for the day. And after that, then I go over with another liner and just clean up and create a good shape. Now for foundation, I take a brush, put it on my cheeks, forehead, nose, chin, and then I take a foundation brush, wet it with some rose water spray, and evenly blend throughout my whole entire face. I take a good concealer and put some on my T-zone, my nose, under my eyes, and my chin to brighten my face up. Then I blend all of that with a wet beauty blender. Then I take a roller for dark circles, put it under my eyes, and blend. Then I even it all out with some powder. I take e.l.f. HD powder and I bake under my eyes and then like on my jawline a little bit. For shadow, I go in this order. I first go on my lid with number 1, and then with number 2, I lightly go in my crease, making sure it goes a little bit outer, and I go in a circular, sort of regular motion, and then I go in with the third one right underneath it, and then I blend it to make it look nice. Then I take concealer and just go a little bit on my inner lid. Using that shade, I go on my brow bone and my inner corner as a highlighter. Then I go in with my mascara and brush it along my lashes lightly. Then I brush off the powder with a fluffy brush. Then I apply some blush and bronzer as my contour and blend. I put that on my jawline, my cheeks, and forehead, and a little on my nose. I forgot to add in after this, but I go in with some setting spray to finish off the look after highlight.
This is the final look. May it work. Here's my bangs. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.